these are not the safes that you grew up with. I'm here at IFSEC to check out Godrej's new range of safety solutions and the future of safes. Let's take a look. Now this right here is possibly my favorite product. This is a desktop safe if you want to keep your valuables like say your watch collection safe or any other collectible or maybe even some small cash.
Godrej also showed off its new lineup of burglar alarms equipped with easy-to-access displays, a lineup of snazzy-looking video door phones, and IPTV cameras with a range of features like AI-enabled motion detection.
And finally, if you're feeling like Exhibit and you want a safe inside your safe, this is the solution for you. This is the Godrej Rhino. So once you open it, you'll observe that there's a second safe in there. And when you open that, you can't really see anything, but there is yet another safe inside which you can access by pulling out this slot. So Godrej just put a safe inside a safe inside a safe. And these two right here are the perfect solution if you want to get your kids started with saving some money because they're digital piggy banks. It's a full-fledged safe, but it's also got a slot at the top which lets you slide in some coins or maybe some notes, and your kids can get into the habit of saving.
So